Hey, let me talk to you like someone who's used the Q990F every single day, because once you feel what this system actually does for your movies, games, and shows, everything weaker starts to feel like something you used to tolerate instead of something you truly enjoy. This isn't for someone who brushes off thin audio or settles for TV speakers that barely fill the room. This is for the person who notices when sound finally feels dimensional, when effects are placed all around you instead of just blasting forward, and when every scene on screen feels matched by what you hear. Before anything else, take a moment and check the current price and availability. Systems this capable with true Dolby Atmos and real surround don't stay at strong value forever once people start comparing real performance. You know that moment, you hit play on a trailer or start a game and the sound feels flat, like it's stuck inside the TV instead of around you? Explosions feel like bumps instead of impacts, dialogue floats without weight, and you catch yourself turning up the volume hoping something will finally click? That's exactly when you realize you've outgrown compromise. You're tired of just okay audio when the visuals already look so good. Then you fire this up and the relief hits almost immediately. Dolby Atmos with real rear speakers and a wireless subwoofer doesn't just make noise louder, it places sound. Effects don't just happen from the front, they move around you. Once you feel that level of immersion, everything weaker begins to feel like a blurry memory you shouldn't have put up with for so long. Picture this, you're deep into an action movie and the crash of vehicles doesn't just sound loud, it feels like it's overhead and around you. Later, a game scene comes to life because footsteps feel anchored in space instead of smeared across a flat channel. Even quiet dialogue feels clear and grounded instead of floating with no weight. That's not about specs, that's experience you feel every time you press play. And once you've lived with that kind of spatial clarity and presence, anything less feels like a compromise you shouldn't go back to. Every time you think about weaker gear again, your mind loops back to how engaged this feels. That's loss aversion. You don't want to give that up now that you've actually experienced what immersive sound can be. While that impression is fresh, check current availability again. Systems with genuine surround, strong sub-output, and advanced modes like Game Mode Pro don't always stay easy to get when serious listeners start comparing. If you're hesitating because it sounds like just more parts, let's reshape that doubt. This isn't about complexity, it's about presence. It's about audio that keeps pace with your visuals instead of fighting them. And features like adaptive sound and Q Symphony mean the audio works with your TV, not against it, to create something you actually feel in the room. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it. Once you've heard real surround Atmos placement, even everyday shows feel more engaging. Voice clarity stays strong without pushing volume, effects stay anchored without distortion, and silence has depth instead of emptiness. You feel immersive sound that fills every corner. You enjoy clarity that reveals detail. You get bass that actually moves there. You own audio that matches your refined expectations. You experience presence that connects emotionally. Downsides? It's not tiny, and it isn't the cheapest single-piece audio option on the market. Those are simply the trade-offs for sound that genuinely respects your content instead of just amplifying it. At some point, the endless comparison loop just stops. You already feel which experience satisfies you most. You choose what feels right, not what's uncertain. So don't let this be one of the upgrades you delay and later think, I wish I did that sooner. Decide with confidence, check current availability now, and bring home the immersive sound experience your instincts have been telling you to get.